What's going on, guys? My name is Josh, and in this video we'll be playing. Actually, we won't be playing. We'll just be We'll just be showing you this game called Emus4u. Emus4u. You get all these games. This is how I got this app called airshou. Whatever you pronounce that word. That's how I got it. Yeah. So, and you can get YouTube. You can get Tuba app, Tutu app, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Pokemon Go, whatever app, a movie box, play box, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so that's what all you do. And so this is how you get it. So done. So I go on to Safari. So you go on to Safari, do E, and then Emus4u. Whoops. How do you get this one? Okay, keep it done. Emus4u. Oh, come on. Okay, so for you, press go, and then it should come up. Installer, whatever you said. Then hit install onto your device, and I'm gonna so yeah, if it's like this, press install, but I won't be doing that. So press install, and then it'll install for you. And then you can get all these games, apps. Like, for example, Snapchat. I'll just download Snapchat. So Snapchat's downloading. So there's Snapchat. It's waiting. Then it will do it. That's why I got airshou. And yeah. So see you guys later in the next video. Bye.